whatever application program was considered. Very happy to find concern both academic and legal. Please follow from me. Consider FA, FD, ID, IO, Grade X. Consider
As you all know, social media plays a crucial role in our day-to-day life. It is very popular among all the age groups of especially students and youth. Social media can be simply defined as it refers to list of interactions in which among they create, share, exchange of information and ideas in virtual communication and network. There are a lot of websites and apps on which we can learn through computers and smartphones like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp, etc. It can be used as positively and negatively, advantages or disadvantages. Positively, we can develop social bonds and making of good friends with our neighbors, developing our communication skills. In a negative way, social comparison, social isolation, and also cyberbullying and privacy concerns. I conclude this speech with a promise that our social media using the negative form instead used in a positive way will help to your studies. Thank you. Today's stage is sponsored by Heart of Brilliant Topaz. State News. Hyderabad University Road, Talk with you, Food Traffic Management. Thank you. Today's talk is going back. Today's talk is going back from Grade X Topaz. Work hard in silence. Let it success make it noise. I repeat, work hard in silence. Let it success make it noise. Thank you. What is going on? Today we are morning activity meant T20 cricket year from the year of cricket. Thank you and thank you. I am Amrita from Grade X Topaz. Here to get current success. India's coastal crime index is 2 years low. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi offered 15k rupees per youth getting first PhD job. 7 individuals were honored with Padma Vibhushan